Hi, what's up, Cardano holders? So, what's going on this time? Many congratulations, my brothers. To the price is popping up. Price is increasing. You can see here 1.42% the price is increased. So, I think it's not a short term. It's absolutely very huge because after a very long time, my friend, you can see they were starting moving upward. And definitely, if you check out my previous videos, so I tell you, my friend, to the price will be increasing, but you will need, my friends, to starting holding. But you are also, my friend, already holder now, so this is really good news, my friend, from all of you. All right, so this time you can see, my friend, the Cardano price is increased 0.41 in last 3 days. Definitely in last 3 days, my friend, the change occurring is we negative, but my friend, from last 24 hours, the total average, as you can see here, is going positive. So my viewer, my subscriber, my prediction is 100% going positive because my brother, when you coin will starting moving upwards. So absolutely, that's clearly, my friend, show you to they will move upward in upcoming days or not. So my friend, in upcoming days, 100% expert says to they will moving upward because after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore I hope to the price will increase now. So what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box, and my opinion is please hold. And if you new my channel, kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.